So second one we have done just now. Okay, now third one there. Think and tell me the answers once. First high space. Okay, next high space Windows 11. Next high space. First I'm calling whom? Okay, now first of all high space Windows 11. Over a function call over a no. Again high space hey space Windows 11. Total function call should get over. Then only it will go to next function call. Half there, half here will not work. Okay. So what will happen? First of all, high space hey, high space Windows 11. Next high space hey space Windows 11. First function call over. Next go to second function call. High space 9 a.m. High space 12 p.m. High space 9 a.m. space 12 p.m. Okay, na? This is the thing. These are all the basic things. What functions we have studied, these are all the recalling part. What's the actual part you have to focus. Clear? Okay. Now part 4. Think and tell me, okay. What is the value of B1 and then what happens next? So first by default B1 equal to absent. Nothing I'm passing the argument. What will come? High space absent. First function call over. Next high space white. High space Python. High space advanced Python. So run the code. Okay, this is a basic thing. So this is a part 4 things. Part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Just what? A recalling of the function topics. Now let us start with what now? We'll start with inheritance topic. So once if you understand inheritance topic, you'll be able to easily understand polymorphism, super keyword, all those things. One topic if you understand, all will be very easy. Okay, so 99% focus very properly and very easy also. Okay, one program equal to 8 topics now. One program equal to 8 topics. Okay, not that much difficult, very easy. Okay. So let me open here. Writing part you can see later part, okay. Once I start the basic programming part, then you can understand. So whatever you're doing now, stop it. Okay, just focus properly here. Give your 10 minutes over here. Okay. Shall we start now? Okay, move on. And very, very important concept. Okay. So what's the class name here? Animal. Okay. Total properly focus. What's the class name? Animal. Inside the class, whatever I'm having inside the class, it is called as what? Attribute. Yes or no? Inside the class, whatever I have inside the class, it is called as what? Attribute. How do we discuss these things? So how many attributes I have now here? 1 attributes. How many? 1. How many functions I have inside the class now? 2. This is the first function. This is the second function. Okay. What is the first function name? Eat. Second function name? Sleep. What is the first function saying there? Eating. Second function saying what? Sleep. Okay. Now, this is what is child now. What's the class name? Goat. In the goat, what I'm passing there? What? Animal. Means what? This child now is going to use the parent attributes or parent things. Okay. Now suppose after this class, where will go? Home. Why go home? Why not this road, metro, somewhere? Why only home? That's the only last end point to you. Okay. No other scope. Same thing here. What I'm doing there, if you want to use, suppose you want to take some money. One thing they can take the money also, or you can take loan also. Nowadays smartphone there, so no need of taking begging also. In the phone, you'll be having an app called a Simple. Okay. Again, you'll use, don't use. Okay, all those things. But you'll get a loan also. Okay. So here, what if you want to use some clothes or something? From whom you'll ask? If you want some money, whom you'll ask? Parents. Okay, simple logic, parents. If you want food or something also, parents will ask. If you want to sleep somewhere, you can sleep in your own bed or in your home, anywhere you can sleep. No one will ask you. If you sleep in your washroom or anyone also, no one will ask you. But you are having your own house, you can sleep anywhere. Same thing, this goat is going to use the what attributes to child. So goat is what your child here, which is using to what a parent attributes. So you understand now? What is the parent? How many functions are there in the parent in the child class now? 3. Grass, herb, sleep. What is grass saying? It's eating grass. What is herb saying? It is herbivorous. What is sleep saying? Don't sleep your 820 rupees kg. No, I don't know 820 rupees or how much? 820 rupees only. Aziz knows. You won't go to mutton shop, huh? No. Only python. He only eats python. Eat python, sleep python, see python. Huh? Eat, sleep. I think that's only seeing. So how many have this? This class animal is a parent there, and goat is what? Child. So now, goat dot living thing. Goat dot living thing. Goat is what? Child name. The child name. Goat dot living thing. Living thing there in the child, first of all, not there. Whom it is there in the parent. What is living thing equal to? True. So goat dot living thing. Run the program. You should get it true. But if this goat does not have link with the parent animal, if I don't pass, now can he use a living thing there? No, he can't use. He or she don't know, but can't use. Okay. What it says? Attribute error. Type object goat has no attribute living thing. So this goat having link with what now? Parent there. So he can use the parent things now. First thing clear? So not there, use from the parent. Simple. Then again, I think a dots will start now. So animal dot living thing. Simple. Animal dot living thing. Animal having the living thing there? Yes. Parent can't use child things. Parent can't use child things. But child can use what? Parent things. This is the only thing you have to know. Child not having taking from the parent. But parent can't use what? Child things. But if child is also having, parent is also having. Suppose you want a pen. You want a pen, example. Pen, even you are also having, parent also having. So what happens in this case? You will be using your own pen. You won't take from the parent. Okay, that's the only thing you have to understand here. So animal dot living thing. Okay, animal dot living thing. There now, what will come? True. Okay. But is animal having grass there? No. So if I do animal dot grass now, will not work. Animal dot grass will not work here. Attribute error. Type object animal has no attribute grass. So it can't take from the child there. Okay, will not take. So I think first two are clear now. Now goat dot grass, herbs, eat, sleep. So grass I'm doing, herb I'm doing, eat I'm doing there. So grass there, herb there. Eat from where will take from? Eat will take from what now? From the parent. What will come? Eating. So grass, what will say? It's eating grass. Herb will say what? It is herbivorous. Eat is not there. Eat method is not there. We'll take from the parent. What will come? Eating. So run the code once. Okay. Now go dot sleep. We'll take from whom now? From its own class. What will come? Don't sleep your 820 rupees kg. Understand the point now here? Now sleep is there in the parent also there. Child also there. So who will be given the first preference? Child class. Who will be given the first preference? Child class. Because child having its own attributes, so it can use now. What will come? Don't sleep, you are 820 rupees kg. But if a child not having, then take from where now? From the parent. What will come? Sleep. Parent will say sleep only. Nowadays, no one saying. Okay, nowadays study. No what study, no sleep only. No. Don't play PUBG. Just sleep, they're saying no. So animal dot eat sleep hub. First of all, animal can eat or not eat. Is animal having eat? Yes, what will come? Eating. Animal dot sleep. What will do? Sleep. So run the code once. But animal is having herb. No. So can you take from the what from the child? No. So what I should get there now? Attribute error, because you can't take from the child. This is a simple concept. Okay. So a child inheriting the properties of a, make a point there. Okay, proper definition I'll give you. A single child inheriting the properties of a single child inheriting the properties of a single parent. Inheriting the properties. Already in the text file, already I have there. Just to make you understand, I'm writing over here. Okay. A single child inheriting the properties of a single parent. It is called as a single level inheritance. It is called as what? Single level inheritance. So these things they ask in the interview. Okay, sometimes some people ask, some people don't ask. But this you have to compulsory know. In a Python, this is the only thing which you have to know compulsory. So what when if I ask now, if I give one program, one child is inheriting the properties of one single parent. By seeing only you have to understand what it is a single level inheritance. Or if I say single level inheritance, this what? A single child inheriting the properties of a single parent is called as what? Single level inheritance. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Now, in the first one, did I pass their object? No, simple class name I have used and then done the program. Okay. So let me keep back in comments there. So you have to know which line errors will also come there. Okay, last line error will come. Will take from the parent, so error will come there. Now, same program I'm using. Okay, same program, but what I'll be using now? Object. Why object, sir? So now tell me once. I think around 10 days ago I told you some topic when I'll be creating object. So think once and tell me once. I need now proof whether you in this lockdown or in this holidays you have practiced. When shall I use object and when to use object? Okay, class. Inside class what? Main thing. Inside the function. Suppose inside the function, if I'm using the what? Self na. Inside the function, if I'm using the what self, then you have to use the what object. Without object, it will not work. That is the reason. What I wrote there with the help of an object. See here, I wrote there self there, self there. So you have to create a what now? Object. If I don't create object, it will not work. Same program, class animal living thing, child also same thing, having the things there. But now we have to make what now? Objects. Previously made an object there, previously program. No. But now we have to make. Why we have to make? Because inside the function we pass the what? Self. So we have to use what now? Make what? Objects. So A is what now here? Object. So A is equal to animal. Animal dot living, A dot living thing. What will come? True. Yes or no? Living thing. True. A dot eat. What will come? Eating. A dot sleep. What will come? Sleep. So run the code. Next. G equal to go to G dot grass. Grass, herb, sleep. So grass, it's eating grass. Next, herb. It is herbivorous. Sleep. Will take from parent or child? From child. Both are parent also having, child also having. So first preference will be given to what? Child. So don't sleep your 17 rupees kg. Price decreased, okay? But never decreases, okay? You can increase, decrease in your hands. Next, G dot living thing. Will take from where? From parent. What will come there? G dot living thing? True. Then G dot eat. Will take from where? From parent. What will come? Eating. So when I pass self there, you have to make what? Object. But if I don't make object and then true, will not work. So let me show there once. Suppose I am saying the what class name is what? Go dot grass. I won't create an object there. Suppose go dot grass. That's it. Clear skin. Run the code. Will not work. What comes here? Type error. Go dot grass missing one to cut position argument self. That is the reason we have made what? One object. A equal to go. Then we can say A dot grass. What will come? Grass. Grass. What will come? It's eating grass. So whenever in the program, if you're able to see self, then in the function, if you're able to find self, then you have to create what? Object. Then with the help of object, you can call the methods. Okay. So this is what the part one concept. Clear now? And this program is called as what? Single level inheritance. With the help of object you can do, or without the help of object also you can do. Fine? Now. One program you understood now? So one program now, all things will be same now. So focus here, don't do anything. Print statement you have to use. Why? Because the written part is not there. Not there. How you want to print the message? Suppose here, living thing is there. Living thing, how it gets printed there now? So print living thing have to be there. Print animal dot living thing have to do. Okay, see here, print animal dot living thing. Then only the message it comes, or will not come. Okay. So now what next to there? Multiple inheritance. Next what now? Multiple. Just give me a minute. No. So first see you know how many parents are there? First parent, second parent. How many childs are there now? One child. Okay. So in the case of multiple means what? How many parents will be there? Two parents. And how many child? One child. Clear definition. A single child inheriting the properties of two parent classes is called as what? Multiple inheritance. Make a point there. A single child రేపు ఓకే పంపించి okay. So focus now here. How many parents are there? Two parents. A single child inheriting the properties of a single child inheriting the properties of two parent classes is called as what? Multiple inheritance. Okay. So 1 minute. Okay. It's same, degree B comma. No. Degree B comma, you also Praveen. BSc in computer science. Okay. Come back to concept. So how many parents will be there here now? 2 parents. And how many childs? 1 child. That concept, a single child inheriting the properties of 2 parent class, is called as a multiple inheritance. This simple understand. Multiple means what? 2 parent, 1 child. Single means what? 1 parent, 1 child. 1 child inheriting the properties of a single parent. Okay. So what is first parent saying? Food equal to? Yes. Shopping equal to? Yes. Work equal to? No. How many functions it having there? 1 function. What is the function name? Bank. What having there? Savings amount. Pass there what? Self there. So if a pass self there, then what? We have to create a object. That is the main thing. What is second parent saying there? Education equal to? Yes. Movie equal to? No. Food equal to? No. What is common between first parent and second parent? Check once. What is common? Food. First parent saying for food what? Yes. Second parent saying for food what? No. And here default privacy there. So no privacy. Here what? Bank. Here what? Privacy. And the only thing common between both the parents is what here? Food. First parent saying yes. Second parent saying what? No. No. Child inheriting properties, first parent and second parent. Child having how many objects, how many functions? 2 functions. Clothes and phone. Clothes equal to what? Self there. So clothes of first child. Phone of what? First child. So now f child dot food. So this first child will take food from where? From first parent or second parent. Okay, I want to go. Bring one slip. What is Elizabeth? We'll go off. Okay. Now, what I'm saying, first child dot food. Now, food will take from first parent or second parent. First parent. Why first parent? Why not second parent? So who I'm calling first here? I'm calling here what? First parent. So we'll take from the first parent. If I'm calling second parent, then we'll take from what? The second parent. So what will come for the food what now? Yes. So for first child food will come what? Yes. Okay. Now. But if I pass there, what? Suppose if I call the second parent and then first parent, then what will come the output now? No. Why? Because second parent for food is saying there what? No. So here pass what? No, second parent. First I'm calling first, second parent there. So depends on whom I'm calling first. Okay. Both are having the same things, but whom I'm calling first also gets what? Matter there. Okay, now? Without calling? Then we'll get what? Attribute error. Okay. If you don't have first parent, if you don't have second parent, the child can't use anything. We'll get what? Attribute error. So now what we'll do is faster there. Shopping and work. We'll take from whom now? Shopping and work. Shopping will take from what? From first parent. What will come there? Yes. And for work, what will come there? No. So yes, no will come. Clear? Okay. Now I have made an object there now. FC equal to child and FC dot bank. So bank will take from whom? From first parent or second parent? First parent. So bank what will come there? Savings amount. Next, FC dot clothes. Clothes, child having the clothes and phone. Child having the clothes and phone. What will come? Clothes of first child. Then clothes phone of first child. Okay. Then shopping what will come? We'll take from the first parent. What will come there? No. Shopping, we don't know. It is yes. Okay. Then education, movie, and privacy. First of all, education will take from where now? From second parent. Yes. Education, movie. No. Then privacy. No privacy. Okay, no? The simple thing. There in the self there now. Previously they use self there. Now we having the self here. Which one? Phone. Here, you're not taken. Why? Because 5 dot food. First child dot food. Food. From where now? First parent or second parent? First parent. But if I want to use my own things, suppose if I want to use my own things, like what? First child dot. Suppose if I want to use my what? Clothes. Now it will not work. So run the code once. Working there. Can only concatenate. Okay. Keep comma there if you want there. So clear skin once. Run the code. What is coming there? Some address. And why it is coming as? Because here first child dot clothes. Because it passes self there, and first child dot clothes. So sometimes if you want the proper answer, then you have to wait what? Create an object. Okay, that's the main thing here. So I think we had first child dot food here. Okay, no? So you can create an object or without, but mostly when your self is there, you have to create the what there? Object. So what is the thing in a second multiple inheritance? Two parents will be there and one child. That one child is inherit the properties of what? First parent and second parent. That is called as what? Multiple inheritance. Okay. Then we'll see the last one there. Multi-level where? Multi-level, yeah. Now, how many parents are there? One parent. How many children are there? Two. So in the case of multi-level, there can be one or two parents. Okay, not a issue. There can be two parents also, one parent also. It's fine, not a issue. Okay, but why I segregated? Why I separated? Because you're having four concepts here. So what you can say? Multiple parents, multiple children. Multiple parents, multiple children. That is called as what? Multi-level inheritance. So what you can say here? One parent is there. That one parent is getting inherited by what? Two children. How many children? Two children. So see one, understand now? Parent there. The first child inheriting the parent there. Suppose this concept is not there now. Only what? Up to 16th line the program is there. Up to how much line? 16th line. This program what will say now by saying from 1 to 16 line? Single level inheritance. Now that first child also getting inherited by one more child. This grandchild having link with the first child also and having link with the parent also. Why? Because this child is having link with the parent. So here everything having a link. A single parent getting inherited by more than one child class. It is called as what? Multi-level inheritance. A parent class getting what? Inherited by what? Two or more child class. It is called as what? Multi-level inheritance. Make a point. A parent class getting inherited and these things you have to practice. Okay, this you have to understand also. A single parent getting inherited by A single parent getting inherited by two or more child class. A single parent getting inherited by two or more child class. It is called as what? Multi-level inheritance. Okay. Now same thing here now. Just understand now. Okay. We have 3 minutes of time. So first parent having food, all the things. Child having what? First child having clothes and phone. What is grandchild having? Laptop and books. First, let me clear now. Can parent use child things? No. Can first child can use parent things? Can first child can use grandchild his child class things? No. Can grandchild can use first child things? Can grandchild can use parent things? Yes. Why? Because the first child having link with the parent. But if it does not have link there, then can't use. Okay. So just in a short there. Food will take from one food to shopping work. So food, yes. Shopping, yes. Work, no. Yes or no? Then bank, clothes, phone. Bank will take from where? Savings amount, clothes of first child. Then what next? Phone of first child. That's it. Then for shopping, first child dot shopping. Shopping what will come? Yes. So run the code once. Okay. So everything he can use. Now the grandchild time. Grandchild dot food. So food will take from here? From here or here? From parent will take now. Because first child not having the food there. So we'll take from the parent. What will come there? Yes. Next, shopping. Yes. Then work. No. Then what about bank? Will take from the parent there. Savings amount. Then clothes. Clothes not there. Grandchild does not have clothes. Will take from what? From the first child now. What will come? Clothes of first child. Then don't have phone also. What will come? Clothes of phone of a first child. Then it's having its own shopping. What will come? Yes. What about laptop and books? It's having. So it'll take its own there. It'll take its own things there now. So run the code once. Okay. So this concept is called as what? Multi-level inheritance. Total 3: single level, multiple, and multi-level. So these 3 things will stop till here. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue again this part. Okay, now. Waiting for the parent. We can have that also there. Tomorrow we'll see again the topics again there. Hierarchical there. The total